You don't need 21 days to rebuild your life. Not 90, not even 7. You need one single day. One decision. One moment where you stop deceiving yourself and finally face what must be faced. Because here's the raw truth. You don't need more time. You need more honesty. And today, I'm handing you something nobody else will, a 24-hour blueprint to reclaim your mind, your energy, and your destiny. This isn't motivation. This is your battle cry. Let's transform you today. Step 1. The digital silence. Choose one day. Power down your phone completely. No internet, no social media, no mindless scrolling, no texting, no external noise. Just you and the thoughts you've been running from. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're buried alive under stimulation. Their mind has zero space to process, zero room to heal, zero chance to simply breathe. We're drowning in digital chaos, and the only path to clarity runs through silence. If you can't spend one day alone with your own thoughts, you're not escaping boredom. You're escaping yourself. Step 2. The mirror of truth. Here comes the part that terrifies most people. Stand before a mirror. Look directly into your own eyes. No background music, no positive affirmations, no shields. Just 5 minutes of brutal silence. And confront yourself with one question. Who am I pretending to be? That's all. But ask it like your soul depends on the answer. You'll feel something crack open inside, that sharp pain in your chest. That's your real self breaking through the lies. Because you've been performing for the world for so long, you forgot who you actually are. Today, the mask falls. Today, you face reality. Step 3. Burn the old self. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 brutal truths. The habits slowly poisoning your potential. The places bleeding your energy dry. The lies you tell yourself just to belong. Now destroy that page. Rip it to shreds. Burn it if you safely can. Tear it until nothing remains. Why? Because writing creates awareness. But destruction, that screams to your subconscious mind, you're not going back. That version of you. It dies right here, right now. Step 4. The power hour. Now we strike on every front body, mind, spirit. Set a 60-minute timer. This is your power hour. 20 minutes. Physical intensity. Run until your lungs burn. Do push-ups until your arms shake. Take an ice-cold shower. Shatter your comfort zone. 20 minutes. Mental purge. Write every single thought racing through your head. No editing, no structure, no mercy. Let the storm rage onto paper. 20 minutes. Pure stillness. No phone, no music, no escape routes. Just breathe. Just exist with yourself. Complete this, and you'll feel something fundamental shift inside. Control, power, presence.